Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to generate an image using AI. Don't forget to like the video so that I know you are interested in the kind of content I'm bringing. So the idea of this comes from a project I'm working on for a client, and she said she wants a female chef in an apron. Okay. So I'm going to actually keep scanning through to see if I get something I really like to use. So I think I'll settle for this image because, it gives direction to the project. It's a flyer. So this image itself guides the viewer's eye, pointing on any information I'm going to place at this side of the canvas. I can flip it, but this is the direction, and this is where I'm going to go with this image. Let's go to ChatGPT. So I'm going to upload the image. And I'll ask AI to write a prompt so that I can use the prompt to generate an image on a different sites. So I'm asking it to write a prompt to generate an image of this female chef. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the details or any kind of specifications. So I said I want a cartoon form for a flyer for a restaurant, and I give a specification that make it look professional. And I'll maintain details. So I went ahead and asked it to maintain the details, the details, the posture and everything, the apron, and I asked it to give me an African woman, and an African print. Alright, so ChatGPT is going to generate the prompt for me to use. This is not the prompt I'm going to use. So let me go ahead and see what I get. Alright, so this is what I get. Create a professional cartoon style illustration of a smiling African female chef. She is wearing a traditional chef hat with a stylish twist, incorporating vibrant African prints. Her apron and outfit blend classic chef attire with colorful African fabric patterns like kente or Ankara. I know kente is from Ghana, but I'm not sure about Ankara. And keep the focus on the character's tone. So this is just some details from ChatGPT. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take this to Leonardo AI. It's an AI tool I use often a lot to generate images. So you get 50 credits, 150 credits actually, every day, every single day, and you'll be able to generate different kind of pictures for your projects. So completely free. So let's try it out here. So don't forget to like the video if you are enjoying it, so that I know you like this kind of educative content, so that I can keep bringing more content like this. Okay, so our image is ready. It didn't take that long. Okay, it looks great, but as you can see, the hands are not pointing to the direction I want. Okay, so let's try and refine this prompt. So I go ahead and ask it to make the hands point to a particular direction, either left or right. Okay, so so I'm trying to define the weight of the woman that I want. I don't want to go chubby because I don't know what I'm going to get with chubby, but I'm trying to give it a definition that befits a mother kind of look and weight. So let me just go with this one, like mom weight, and see what AI is going to cook for us, because AI is supposed to be an artificial intelligence with all the knowledge in the world. Okay, let me just go ahead and drop the new prompt. I could have refined the prompt here as well and see what Leonardo is going to create for me on its own. Well, still I'm not getting the hands alright. So let me try and refine the prompt here. Creating. Okay, so I added a little bit specifications, as in her both hands should point to the right, and the body language should also look like she's, directing something to the right. And let's see. This also looks cool. This also looks good. And let's use this Freepik image generator. Okay. So let me copy the prompt. Okay. So this is Freepik. Oh, interesting. I love this one as well. Oh, you see, you gotta do some refining. AI is not perfect, but it gives you a good start. Okay, PNG. Wow. This is not bad either. Wow. So apparently the more you keep clicking, the more you see better generations. So I'm sure there are other websites and apps that can generate images, but not all of them are for free. So if you need a free image generator, try Freepik and Leonardo.ai. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Okay, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe so that I don't miss our next video or tutorial. And if you want me to follow up with a video of the flyer I am going to design with this image, just leave a comment for me in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. Okay, so let's do a quick recap of activities today. First of all, we searched for the image from Pinterest. We got the image we want and we generated a prompt from ChatGPT, and we use a prompt to generate an image. This is the results we got initially and the following, and I had to refine the prompt a little by adding some specifications, and we went on to Freepik to generate these amazing visuals. Okay, thank you.